You've seen ads for meal kits that get delivered to your doorstep. They can be super convenient. So what is a meal kit? It's a subscription service in which customers get pre-portioned and sometimes partially prepared foods. Your meal kit should be from a trusted company, packaged and delivered safely, and kept at the proper temperature. Look out for these 5 red flags if you're in the market for meal kits. When trying to decide where to get your meal kit, start with some basic research. How do they keep your food safe? If customer service can't tell you how they respond to a recall or other problems, that's red flag number 1. Ideally, you'll order from a company that enables you to track the order, which brings us to red flag number 2. If you can't track your order, you have no way of knowing how long it's been sitting on a truck or on your doorstep, which can lead to food spoilage. When your meal kit arrives, examine the package. Red flag number 3 is a poorly packaged or damaged box. The meal kit package should be well constructed and free of damage. On the inside of the box, there should be ice packs to keep your perishable food cold. As you unpack the box before quickly transferring food to your fridge, look out for red flag number 4, cross-contamination. Food should be individually packaged and absolutely nothing should be leaking. Our last red flag is the food temperature. The protein, that's meats and fish, should arrive frozen or partially frozen with ice crystals still visible. Use a food thermometer to check that the temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If proteins are above 40 degrees, you can get sick, even if it looks and smells fine. Is cut produce received cold? When in doubt, don't taste it, just throw it out. Okay, let's recap. Number 1, research companies before you buy. Number 2, track packages straight to your door. Number 3, inspect for damage to the box. Number 4, look for cross-contamination. And number 5, check if cold foods are received cold. The bottom line is that food you order in the meal kit should be fresh, packaged well, and kept at the right temperature. In short, if it meets these conditions, it should be safe to eat.